Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is UR15CS188. This is my experiment number 6 for data structures lab, and the title of the experiment is searching algorithms. So the algorithms which I have implemented here, which I have coded here, are linear search and binary search. So linear search and binary search is basically for searching a particular element inside the array. In linear search, the array can be in any order, in any way, but for binary search, the array should be entered in a sorted order. So let's check out the program. So as you can see here, inside here I have created two functions, void linear search and void binary search. So first we'll check out the functions. After that we'll go to the main function. This is a linear search in which I have taken an array of size 40 and then one element which is named as search, and then one integer element, that is n. So here I am taking the input of size of the array from the user, and then I am storing it inside in, and then I am taking input of the array using a for loop, and then I am displaying that array using for loop, and then I am asking the user to enter the element to be searched. So as you can see here, if that it is the search element, it is traversing throughout the array and it is checking element by element. Whenever it matches the element, that is if search is equals to AR of I, then it would display the index position. Here I have done I plus 1 because user point, like array point, C++ point of view, the array starts from 0, but for user point of view, it should display from 1. So that's why I have added 1. This was the linear search. Now we'll check out binary search. So as you can see here, in binary search I have taken 4, 6, 7 variables and one array of size 50. M is for mid, L is for low, H is for high. So here again I am asking the user to enter the array elements inside the sorted order, in sorted order. If in case user entered the array simply like array which is not sorted, then we can sort it using sorting algorithms like bubble sort, merge sort, insertion sort, selection sort, or quick sort. From among these 5 algorithms, we can use any of them and sort the array, and then we should go for binary search, because the first and the foremost important starting condition for the binary search is that the array elements should be in sorted order. So as you can see here, I am taking input for array elements, and then I am displaying the array elements using for loop. Now here again I am asking the user to enter the element to be searched. So here it would enter, and the element which is to be searched will be stored in E. So as you can see, for example, if I created an array of size 6, then low will be 0 and high will be 5. So similarly, if I create an array of size n, so high will be equals to n and low will be equals to 0. So here I have initialized the temporary variable, that is just to temporary variable named t, that is just to come out of the while loop. So as you can see, this is the main logic of the program. Here we are comparing that first we'll divide the array into two parts, that is mid, one is mid and before mid, and one is after mid. So first as the elements are in sorted order, so first using this formula we are taking the index position of the middle element, and then we are comparing whether the element which is being entered by the user for searching is matching the middle element or not. If it's matching, then it would display this thing, or else first it would check where is the element. If it doesn't match, then it would check whether the element is less than the middle position element or greater. If it is less than, then high equals to mid, that is high from its foremost end, it would shift to middle position. that means left part will become the array, and then or else right part will become the array here. So in that case low will be shifted to middle part, and similarly using this logic we'll be keep on dividing the array into two parts having a middle element, and whenever it matches the value of temporary variable will be increased, and then it would exit from the while loop. So let's check out the output of this program. Yeah, so here as you can see, first it's asking the user to enter the one more thing here inside main function. Simply I am asking the user to enter his choice, then using do while I am asking the user whether he wants to continue or not, and then inside switch case I am switching between different cases. In case 1 I have called the linear search function, and in case 2 I have called the binary search function. Okay, so now we'll check out the output. For example, enter your choice. If I entered first, and then it asks to enter the size of the array. For example, if I entered size of the array as 5, enter the elements. For example, I entered the elements randomly like 21, 2, 34, 3, and then 1. So these are our array elements. Suppose the user entered 3. So as you can see, it displayed the index position of the 3 as it traversed throughout the array, and it checked with these elements that whether the element is matching any of these elements. As soon as it matched, it displayed its index position. So do you want to continue? Yes. So now we'll check out binary search. Enter the size of the array. 5. The elements we should enter the elements in sorted order. For example, 12, 24, 33, 40, 56. So this is our array. For example, user wants to search for element 23, then it displays that element found at position 2. Again it asks the user whether he wants to continue or not. Then if user presses any other key rather than small y or capital Y, then it would exit from that do while loop. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video.